Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at 1727 Nestlewood Trl in vibrant Hunters Creek. We have this beautiful one-story, three-bedroom home for you. My name is Nancy Hendricks with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2. Let's go and check it out. Welcome in. So here we are in the living room. Very nice space, high ceilings, lots of space for your furniture. This is really a cozy corner with beautiful laminate floors, as you can see. From here you have direct access to your screened-in patio, which we're gonna take a better look at afterwards. And then here on our left-hand side, we have the master bedroom with the master bath. As I mentioned, it's a one-story home, so everything is so accessible. It's a very straightforward floor plan. And from here, we come into the centerpiece of the home, which is the kitchen. It's fully upgraded, new appliances. We have the granite countertops, and also we have directly here our laundry area with our washing machine, our washer and dryer included. And here we have the dining area directly, very convenient by your kitchen space. So, you know, perfect for your family dinners right here. And from here we go straight to the other two bedrooms with the additional bathroom and also the garage from where you can walk directly into your home. From here, let's go and check out the back patio. And here we are in our screened back porch, a huge space, great for entertainment, barbecuing. You can have some lounge chairs here. We have even ceiling fans, so you know, keep that air flowing, and we have great privacy panels. But on top of that, we do have the fenced backyard with a lot of space still in the yard to also use that area definitely. And in the area you will see we have great access to the pool. Hunters Creek, as you know, a lot to do here, a lot of shopping, dining, and you're very close to all the main roads. So again, here we are today, 1727 Nestlewood Trl in Hunters Creek. So make sure to come and check us out, follow us, and thank you so much.